Prince Arthas. We've been waiting here for hours. Are you sure this friend of yours is coming?
I'm sure. Jaina usually runs a little late.
We must help her!
Stay your blade, Captain. She can take care of herself. Gentlemen, meet Miss Jaina Proudmoore, Special Agent to the Kirin Tor, and one of the most talented sorceresses in the land. It looks like you haven't lost your touch. It's good to see you again, Jaina.
You too, Arthas. It's been a while since a prince escorted me anywhere.
Yes, it has. Well, I guess we should get underway.
Our sources believe the plague originated in the region north of here. We should check out the villages along the King's Road.
I'm here to help. Of course.
What is your wish?
For honor.
For Lordaeron. I am honored.
Certainly. A sound plan.
I'll check it out.
Justice shall be done. Orders? I'm here to help.
Shh, I'm trying to think here.
I'll do my best.
A sound
That's
plan.
curious. I'll take care of it. Sounds interesting.
I stand for the light.
I'll do my best.
Certainly.
I can help. Sounds good. Sounds good. I'll check it out.
Of course.
For Lordaeron.
For honor. For honor. A sound plan.
What's the plan?
I am honored.
Of course.
I'll do my best.
Certainly.
I am honored.
For honor.
Prince
I'm here to-
Arthas, there's something amiss at the bridge ahead.
Is there danger?
I am ready.
Look, it's Prince Arthas.
Justice shall be done. Of course.
Greetings, my lord.
Justice shall be done. A sound
For
plan.
Lordaeron. I'll do my best.
Certainly.
My lord, someone has destroyed the bridge from the far side of the river. There is another way to cross, but it is not as safe as it used to be.
Certainly.
My lord, if this is about taxes, I can explain.
That's curious. I'll take care of it.
I stand for the light.
I am honored.
Of course.
Slaughter them all. Bandits, run!
Honor. A sound plan.
Sack the town. Save us.
I'm here to help.
What's the plan?
How may I serve?
A sound plan. For
I
honor.
can help.
I'll do my
Of
best.
course.
Oh, thanks so much. I have a reward for you.
I am ready. How may
Justice
I serve?
shall be done. Certainly.
I am honored.
A sound plan.
My lord, there is an ancient fountain shrine nearby. Legends say that its holy waters can restore health and heal grievous wounds.
That could prove to be useful indeed.
How may I serve?
Is there danger? For honor. Of course.
For Lordaeron.
Certainly. Justice shall be done. For honor.
I am honored.
A sound plan.
I'll do my best.
I stand for the light.
How may I serve?
Certainly.
For Lordaeron.
Of course.
Foul beast. I'll do my best.
Is there danger? For honor.
I can help.
A sound plan. For honor.
For Lordaeron.
A sound plan.
I am honored.
Certainly.
I am honored.
Of course.
Sounds interesting.
Is there danger? Certainly. You are past redemption. Of course.
That's curious.
For Lordaeron.
Justice has come.
I'm trying to think here.
A sound plan.
What's the plan?
Foul beast.
I'm here to help.
Lock your shields and defend yourselves. Their arrows won't get through.
Skeletons? Slay them all immediately. Is there danger?
For Lordaeron.
Certainly. Of course. Betrayer of the light. What were those creatures, Sergeant?
Undead, my lord. This whole village has gone mad. We did our best to defend the villagers, but...
We'll get to the bottom of this.
I serve.
Yes, my liege.
I am honored.
A sound plan.
I'll do my best.
For honor.
I am ready.
Certainly. A sound plan. Of course.
I am honored.
I'm trying to think here. I'll check it out.
How may I serve? For Lordaeron.
For honor. A sound plan. Of course.
For Lordaeron.
For honor.
I am
This
honored.
must be the shrine that the old man spoke of. Any man who drinks from these light-blessed waters will be healed. The light
I
is
am
my
ready.
strength. Certainly.
I'll do my best.
A sound plan.
Forces are under attack.
For honor.
For Lordaeron. I am honored.
Certainly. Of course.
I'll do my best.
It's as if the land around that granary is dying.
Could the grain itself be plagued?
Let's hope not. Those crates bear the regional seal of Anderhall, the distribution center for the northern boroughs. If this grain can spread the plague, there's no telling how many villages might be affected.
I'll do my best. For Lordaeron.
A sound plan. Feel my wrath. Foul knave. Certainly. For my father, the king. For honor.
I am honored.
Of course.
I am honored. For
For
Lordaeron.
honor.
I'll do my best.
Of course.
I can help. Sounds good.
A sound plan. Certainly. For honor. Of course. Certainly.
I am honored.
A sound plan.
For Lordaeron.
Of course.
Sounds interesting.
I'll do my best. I'll do my best.
For honor.
I am honored.
Certainly. A sound plan.
Greetings. We are priests from Quel'Thalas. We've come to help heal the land of this strange curse.
As always, the generosity of the elves is greatly appreciated.
You should know that there is a granary warehouse at the far end of this village. This evil blight may be evident there as well.
Justice shall be done. A sound plan.
For Lordaeron.
Of course.
Is my
Let's
aid
get to
required?
fighting.
For honor.
I'll do my best.
That's curious.
What the hell are you men shooting at?
We're blasting those damn skeletons, sir. This whole flaming village is crawling with them.
Well, I could use your help. We've got a warehouse to destroy at the end of town.
Let's get to fighting.
Of course. I am your servant.
I'll do my best.
Is someone injured?
That's curious.
For Lordaeron.
Hello!
Certainly.
I am honored.
Yes, my friend.
For Lordaeron. I am honored.
Of course.
What ails you? Right away.
For honor.
I'll do my best.
I can help.
Is someone injured?
Shh, I'm trying to think here. Sounds good. I'll take care of it. I'll check it out.
A sound
Is my
plan.
aid
Show us a
required?
target. Where do you want us? You made the right choice. It's on!
Of course.
I
For
can help.
Lordaeron.
What ails you?
Certainly.
We've been discovered, my brothers. Flee and continue with the operation. I'm sorry I can't stay and chat, but duty calls.
That creature looks like it was sewn together from different corpses.
Let's study it after we kill it, okay? Certainly.
I'll do my best.
Sounds interesting. What's the plan?
Mobile!
Destroy that warehouse.
Now! Show us a target.
A sound plan.
Where do you want us? I am honored.
Of course.
Is my
Thank
aid
you.
required?
Certainly.
Sounds interesting.
Justice shall be done. What was that? And who is that wizard dressed in black?
I believe that the robed man was a necromancer. Obviously, he and his lackeys are behind this plague.
Well, it's a good bet we'll find him and the answers we're looking for in Anderhall.